going to show you my chicken and rice. I'm using Thrive Life ingredients because they're quick, fast, easy, simple. I love them. You can use fresh equivalent. Alright, with Thrive Life rice, and this is the key to chicken and rice. Make sure it's instant rice. Alright, Thrive Life is 1-to-1 ratio of liquid to rice. So, 3 cups of rice. And then I'm going to add 3 cups. This is my stewed tomatoes that I sent through my blender. Here I have 4.5 cups, but I'm going to make sure I only get 3 in there. Actually, I'm going to add all of it because I'm adding Thrive Life ingredients. Alright, 1/4 cup Thrive Life peppers. 1/4 cup of the onions. Fresh, it'd be 1 pepper diced, 1 onion diced. And then 1/4 cup of the corn. You can add half a bag of frozen corn or a can of corn. Let me grab a spoon. Alright. Get this all mixed up. What a big mess. The biggest trick to rice, chicken and rice, is to make sure that there's enough liquid to act when you start. To make sure the rice is semi-floating. Now I can already tell I'm going to need a little bit more. So I had 4.5 cups in here, and it was more of a thick tomato paste than a tomato sauce or a tomato juice. So I'm going to add a little bit more water. We're going to add 1/2 cup of water. I'm making a giant mess. See, this is why I put these plastic cloths down. I always get these on sale after almost any holiday. You can get these plastic on sale for really cheap. I love them because it saves my furniture and my counters. I don't have a very big kitchen because we're living very small and very frugal. We're working on a 5-year plan to get our own farmstead. So, very small living accommodations. I have a tiny kitchen. Probably one of the smallest kitchens I think I've ever had. And this is supposed to be an eat-in kitchen. Alright. I can already tell I need a little bit more. So all together I've got 5.5 cups of water in here. 3 cups of Thrive Life instant rice. 1/4 cup of the onions. 1/4 cup of the peppers. A little over 1/4 cup of the corn. Alright, you see how that's more soupy, liquidy? That's what we want. And I'm just going to lay any cuts of chicken you want right on top of that. Bake it in the oven until it's done. Depending upon what cuts of chicken you have and whether they're frozen chicken or raw chicken. Depends upon how long it'll cook. The rice and the vegetables will be done long before the chicken. Don't worry, because it is instant rice. And then you throw it in the oven. I bake it on 375 degrees. and just check on it, and when my chicken's done, my rice is done. I'll bring you back when all mine's done so you can see what it looks like. There we have it. I ended up having to separate them because the rice and all the veggies started puffing up so much it overflowed, and this pan just wasn't big enough for all of it, so I had to separate it. And then after it got cooked, I sprinkled cheese on top of it and let it get nice and crispy golden brown. And then we're just gonna dish it up. There we have it. That's how I make my chicken and rice. Thanks for coming along, and we'll see you in the next one. And remember, stay positive. Bye.